Hey guys, got a bunch of stops to make? Using a circuit route planner can save you tons of time and gas. These apps figure out the best order to hit all your locations so you're not driving all over the place. Let's get right into how to use one. First, download a route planner like Circuit, now called Spoke, Road Warrior, or Rotific. Once you have it installed, open the app and start adding your stops. You can type in addresses, use voice input, or even upload a spreadsheet if you have a lot of stops. After you've added all your stops, the magic happens. Hit the Optimize button, the app will calculate the most efficient route, taking into account distance and traffic. You can also adjust the route by dragging and dropping stops to change the order if needed. Some apps let you set time windows or priority stops. Once you're happy with the route, hit Start or Navigate. The app will then guide you turn by turn. Many circuit route planners offer real-time traffic updates so your route can adjust if there's a delay. Some route planners have cool extra features. For example, you can mark where you put your packages in your car. You can also send customer notifications about arrival times and provide proof of delivery. That's it, guys. Using a circuit route planner is super easy and can save tons of time and hassle. Give it a try and see how much more efficient your deliveries or errands can be.